Welcome back to Adom Home Cooking. It's been a while. We are back now. I just want to say thank you for sticking with us for 7 years on the 14th of April this year. We are grateful. Stay tuned for more of Adom Home Cooking. God bless you. Today we are preparing banana and strawberry milkshake. And these are my ingredients for preparing the strawberry and banana milkshake. I have my banana, my strawberry, and my fresh milk. I'm using semi-skimmed milk, but you can use whole milk. And if you are in a place where you can't find the fresh milk, just dissolve some needle milk powder in water and use it to blend the banana and the strawberry. So I have my food processor here, which has been washed already. So I'll just pour a glass full of my fresh milk into my food processor, and then I'll add my strawberry. I'll just take the curd and then I'll half it. With this, you don't need any sugar because the banana is sweet, so I'm not adding any sugar. And then I'll peel my banana. You can just break it and add to it, or cut it, whichever way. So I'll close it tight. If you want this sweet, you can just add a little bit of condensed milk. If you want it very sweet, you can just add a bit of condensed milk. It's looking very nice. Look at the color. Ooh, yummy. The kids will love it, even the adults. Banana and strawberry milkshake. Enjoy.